loading na. Wala na.
Boss Bet, hamburger sana. Egg Jollibee lang. Andiyan naman si manager. Andiyan naman si manager. Aray ko.
Ikaw mag-video? Ikaw mag-video? Ha? Labas yung titi ko? Kaya, alina ba? Yan, ano ko nga sa gitna? Ako na lang. Hindi ko makikita. Ganyan lang to, no? Marunong ka ba nito? Hey! Pag ako yung bola, ilisin mo ha. Ilisin mo. Ha? Pakita ang cheer yan na.
Yung daw po, para mapag-start na. Okay na po ba ang listahan para mapag-start na? Okay, pasok 5 players. Pusaw. Puntas, patanggal na lang po. Pakitakin na rin po ng mga jersey sa lahat. Paalala lang po, ikaw, Puntas. Patanggal na lang po. Pakitakin na rin po ng mga jersey sa lahat. Good luck, their team. Yagnats versus Springfield.
Ay.
Technical, Yagnats. Sublime, 2 out of 2. At nakuha ni Pua. Bumawin ng dos by Pua. Number 3. Binababa ang bola. Number 3. Number 3. Pinasa. Number 0. Pass to 33. Pinasa. Bumurot. Pua. Pinasa. Nahuli. Nakuha. Nangyagkas. Number 0. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pinasa. 10 seconds to shoot.
Ulo.
Bola ng Springfield.
Ulo mo.
Number 15. 15. Pinasa. Number 5. 30. Nakuha. Libuwa. Number 18. Foul. Number 33. First personal foul, number 33. First team foul. Basket. Number 3, pass to number 29, pass to number 3, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10, pass to number 3, pass number 10, 14, basket, 14. Number 15, nagmamadali, pinasa kay Pua, tumasalit, foul, number
Pogi mo, boy.
33, second personal foul, number 33, 17 foul.
Answer ko. Answer ko. Ayun. Sa
Basket, unang pagbubuslo.
Number Irving, magdadala ng bola. Tangan ko,
Basket. Number 3, nahuli, Pua, ECP. Number 3, tinira ng press. Basket. Binawi sa press. Number 15. Pass to number 18. Pinasa ka number 5. Bumurot. Basket by number 5. Ang gandang pasa ay number 10. Pass to number. Pull-up jumper. Rebound na number 29. EC2. Number 15. Nagdadala ng bola. 15 pass to 13. Basket by number 8. Number 3, pass to number 33, 13, Luluwa, nakuha, bola ng Springfield. Number 18, pass number 15, pass number 8, number 8, sumanaksak, foul, number 10. First personal foul, number 10. Third team foul.
Ay, di pala yan. Ano lang ba? Kaya na kaya. Ala ko 0-3. Ready? 1.
Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 18. 14. Rebound. Nakuha ni Contren. Pinasa. Number 10. Libre. Binada. Nireverse pa by number 10. 15. Nahula ni number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Pinasa na hula ni Pua. Pua. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Binababa ang bola. Number 8. counter. Driving. RQ. Number 5. Pass to. Nakuha. Dinamber. 13. Rebound na natin. 15. Dinamaba ang bola. Nagbabalik. 15. Grabe naman yun. Crossover by number 15. Number 3. Dinamaba bola. Pass to number 33. Sinalaksak. Foul. Number 0. First personal foul. Number 0. Basket. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 15. Deep. Kicking the ball. Number 10. Pass to number 3. 3. Pinasa. To number 7. Pass to number 3. Pinasa sa kita. 15 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 5. 5. Pinras break. Nakuha ni Buya. Buya. Mistake. Buya. Nakuha. Number 10. Number 10. Dinamit ang bola. Tinira ng 3. Basket. Change 5 players. Bola ng Spring Hill. Score 13-13 in favor of Rama. Sinasa sa kita. Number 22.
Laki ng katawan.
Elbow.
Laki ng katawan.
Number 11. Dinamit ang bola. 11. Pinasa. Pinagit. Driving. Basket. By number 5. 05. Pinagit. 15. 14. Rebound. By number 20. Pass to number 11. 11. 13. Nakuha ni 22. 22. Pass to number 05. 05. 30. Tumulog. 30. Nakuha ni 20. Pinasa. To number 25. 30. Basket. 30. Number 62. Pass to 15. Pinasa sa kita 22. Pass to 62. Pinasa 18. Pass to 05. 30. Basket! 30. Number 11. Pass to 20. Pinasa. Pinasa Jammer. Nakuha. Foul. Number 22.
Dami TBS dito.
First personal foul, number 22.
Hanggang dito. Dito. Pag may ginagawa rito. Walang ganito.
Nakuha, number 5, pass to 18. Siya. Pinasa ka 15. Pass to 05. 15 seconds to shoot. 05. Pass to 15. Dinalik. 05. Pull-up jumper. Basket by number 05.
Dito, tulungan mo. Walang tablado.
Nakuha, yung number 22. Pass to number 05. Libre. Isip niya.
Magaling yan. Magaling.
Five, pass to 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 25. pass to 11, 13. Basket, 13. 62, pass to 18, 15 seconds to shoot. 18, pass to 24. Behind the back pass, nakuha ni number 15. 15. Foul, number 26. First personal foul, number 26. 1 for penalty. Basket number 11. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 25, 30. Rebound. Nakuha. Ibura. Siya. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 05. 05, 30. Foul. Number 20. Penalty. Ay, hindi.
Pasok!
Compleno, 3 out of 3. Number 11. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 25. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5, pass to 11, 3. Basket! 14!
Bantay sa labas!
Number 62, pass to 18, 15 seconds to shoot. 22, tumalbat. 22, unahin. Basket by number 22. 11. Remaining time, 35 seconds. Number 5, fingers over. Basket and 1. Foul number 15. First personal foul number 15. 13 foul. Rebound number 22. 25 seconds remaining. Pass to Gia. 15 seconds to shoot. 15. Pass to number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. 18. 9.
Seconds! 3 seconds, sagot kayo!
3 seconds lang natitirang oras natin. Grabe naman yun. Pagpasensya nyo nang naglolo ko ang ating score. Pass 26-8, 4-3. Nawala ang number 10. Pass number 8. Pass number 10, 4-3. Nawala ang number 33. Nawala ang 33 ulit. Pass to number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 62. Pass to number 8. Number 8 pull-up jumper. Nakuha ang number 26. Pass to 33. Pass to number 8. Pinasa. Number 7 for 3. Nakuha ang 62. 62. Pinasa. Gandang pa. Gandang po. Naman yun. Number 8. Binababa ang bola. Number 8. Pass to 7. Number 7. Binalik. to number 8. Pinasa kay 7, dinurot, basket by number 7. Number 18. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 62. 62, 4-3. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7, pass to number 8. Number 8, binababa ang bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10, pass to 33. Tumeke, pull-up jumper. Basket by number 33. 62. Binababa ang bola. Kumbos over. Number 62, behind the back. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5, pass to 62. Tumeke. Number 62, goes over. Foul. Number. First personal foul, number 26. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Pinasa kay Buwa. 15 seconds to shoot. 18-4-3. Rebound by number 7.
Hi, Barbie!
Number 8, pass to 62. Nahuli. Nakuha ni number 5. Buwa. Nakuha pa rin ni Buwa. 15 seconds to shoot. Buwa. Pass to number 5. Nakuha ni Buwa. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa. Binalo. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7. Binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 10. Pass to number 7. Tumeke. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. 7-4-3. Rebound. Nakuha. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Simulang nahuli ni number 8. Pinasa libre-libre ni number 33. Easy. 2 points.
Basta bakla eh.
Number 18, pass to 62. 62, pass to number 5. Number 5, pinasa kay 8. Tumene, pinasa kay 62. 4-3. Basket! 4-3. Number 8. Pinasa kay number 10. Libre-libre, per 3. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Nagagawin silang tatlo. Number 62. Sumalaksak. Binalo. Basket by number 62. Bola pa rin ang Yabats. Number 8. Binababa ang bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 7. Pass to number 8. Pinasa sa gitna. Gitna. Nakuha, nag-rebound, nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Five seconds violation. Bola ng Yabats. Pinasa kay number 7. Foul. Number 0. Second personal foul, number 0. First team foul. Number 8, sumalaksak. Number 8, pinasa. Change 5 players. Both teams. Lamang ng tatlo ang Springfield. Number 15, 4-3. Nakuha ni number 11. Pinasa to number 3. Number 3, pass to 11. Pull-up jumper. Niluwa. Bola ng Springfield Pipers. Number 62. 62, pass to 0-5. Nabukawan. Stepping the line. Bola ng Redbacks. Number 3, binababa ang bola. 3, pass to 11. 3, pinasa. Number 25, pumede. Ang ganda naman. 5, nakuha ng 11. Basket by number 11. Number 62. Pass to 05. Pinasa sa gitna. 22. Pass to 15. Ang gandang momentum naman. Number 3. Binababa ang bola. Number 3. Pass to 25. Binalik. Number 2. Tumege. Pass to 25 ulit. Binalik. Binalik. Sayang naman yun. Pass to number 2. Nahuli. Same ball. Grabe naman dali yun. Number 22. 22. Nahuli. 11. Pass to 25. Easy. 2 points. Basket by number 25. Number 62. Pass to 05. 15 seconds to shoot. 4-2. Nakuha ni number 3. Nagbabagay pinababang bola. Pass to number 25. Sumalaksak. Nakuha ni number 15. Nagbabagay pinababang bola. Number 15. Pass to number 22. 22 pull-up jumper. Nakuha. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5. Trace over. Pass to number 3. Easy 2 points. Basket by number 3. 05. Pass to number 18. Pass to 05. Pass to number 62. Pass to 22. 22. Pass to 62. 10 seconds to shoot. 4-2. Basket by number 62. Number 11. Libre for 3. Nahiya ni number 05. Pia. Anong gagawin? Pia. Kunaon. Foul number 3.
Di pa na-shoot?
First personal foul number 3. Second team foul. Basket. Unang pagbubuslo. Nakuha ni number 5, foul. Number 15. Second personal foul, number 15. Second team foul. Number 3, binababa ang bola. Number 3, pass to number 25. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 5. Sumalaksak. Foul. Number 15. Third personal foul, number 15. Third team foul. Nakuha ni 22. Remaining time, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pura. What a Pinoy step by Pura. Number 3. Out of bounds. Bola ng Springfield Titans. Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds. Lamang ng 4 ang Springfield. Survive. Traveling violation ng tawag ni ref. number 3. Pass to number 11. 11. Pinasa kay 25. 25. Nakuha ni 22. 22. Pass to number 18. Ang gandang pass sa nalalang. What a pass. Basket by number 15. Number 3. 25 seconds remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. Same ball. Number 5. Nakuha ni 25. 25. Wala pa. Warning for penalty na lang. 15 seconds remaining.
Lasat, 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 lasat.
10 seconds to shoot.
Lasat, lasat.
Pass to 62. 62 for 3. Nakuha ni 22. End of the second quarter. Bella ng Springfield Tigers. Number 15. 15. Sinulaksak. What a cross by 15 nakuha ni number 11. Pass to number 8. Paalala lang, both teams pwede na kayo mag-shuffle ng players nyo. Both teams. Number 11, take. Tina sa 7. Nakuha ni 22. 22. Pass to number 15. 15. Pass to 22. 15 seconds to shoot. Now he went. Ni number. Pinasa kay 25. Easy 2. What a pass by number 3. Number 22. Pass to 15. Pass to 22 again. From receiver. Pinasa kay number 8. 13. Basket. Number 8. Dinamada ang bola. Pinasa kay 11. Number 15. Pass to 2. 18. Pass to 15. Pinasa. Nawala rin. Bola ng Yabmats. Number 8. Dinamada ang bola.
Tagasang ka?
Number 8. Pinasa kay 25. 25. Tumira ng dress. Libre-libre. Basket by number 25.
Malapit.
Number 15.
Malayo pa.
Binaba ng bola. 15. 15 seconds to shoot. 15. Pass to 22. 10 seconds to shoot. 22. Wait lang. 5 seconds na lang po ang natitira. For 2. Nakuha ng Yabats. Number 11. Nagmamadali. 11. Binababa ang bola. 11. Libre for 3. Basket for 2. All 47 lang ating score. Number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. 15. Nawala. Libre si Tony Bob. Kakain na. Easy 2. Number 62, pass to 15. Pass to 62. 62. Sinalaksak. 62, pass to number 18. Nahuli. 18 pa rin. Basket by number 18. Number 8, binababa ang bola. Number 8, pass to number 25. 15 seconds to shoot. 5 pull-up jumper. Nakuha ni 22. Pinasa na kay Pua. Pua, sumalaksak. Nakuha. Sino makakakuha? Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5, sumalaksak. Bola ng Springfield Tigers. 22, binababa ang bola. Remaining time 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Sisu, attack cross by 62. Pass to shoot 22. Pinasa, libre. Basket by number 0. Number 8, binababa ang bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8, pass to number 25. 4-3. Nakuha ni 62. Pass to number 18. 18. Sumalaksak, push. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 11. 11, 4-3. Nakuha ni number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 62. 62. Sumalaksak, binali. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 25. 25. Easy 2 by number 25. Number 18. Pinasa. Nahuli ni number 25. Libre. 25. Easy 2. Bola. Substitution by Red. Number 62, binababa ang bola. 62, kumus over, pass to number 18. 18, tumeke. Nakuha ni number 7. 7, pass to number 8. Number 8, binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 33, pass to 11. Pinasa kay number 10 for 3. Basket! 4-3. Warning. Number 62. 62. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by number 18. 18. 18. Sinasa kay 22. Foul basket, foul number 33. Third personal foul number 33. Spurs team foul. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 11. Pass to number 8. Pass to 11. Pass to number 10. 4-3. Basket! 4-3. Number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. 18. Close over. Nakuha ni 18. Nakuha ni 5. Tumira. Basket by number 5. Number 32, Pinasa, kay number 8. Number 8, 15 seconds to shoot. 8, pass to number 7, bumalik. Pass to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Basket by number 33. Number 62. 62. 15 seconds to shoot. 62. Sumalaksak. Nakahilo. Foul number 7. Substitution direct. First personal foul number 7. Second team foul. Substitution direct. Number 33. Number 3 pala, sorry. Pass to 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa ka number 10. Pass to number 3. 5 seconds to shoot. 14. Training violation. Bola ng Lambat. Number 3. Number 3. Pinasa kay 11. 11. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to number 10. 3. Same ball. Same ball ang tawag ni Rep. Pinasa. 11. Pull-up jumper. Basket by number 11. Number 62, binababa ang bola. 62, 15 seconds to shoot. 32, 27. Finish minute, grabe naman yun. By number 22. Number 3, pass to 11, 30. Substitution direct. Pasok ang lalabas. Time lang 35 seconds. 62. Pinasa kay David for 3. Nakuha ni Pia. Foul. Number 29. First personal foul, number 29. Third team foul. Basket ang unang pagbubukas mo. Basket, 2 out of 2. Number 3. Number 3, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Pinasa ko 29. Pull-up jumper, basket by number 29. Number 62. Pinasa kay Pia. Easy 2. Grabe naman yun. Number 3. Binababa ang bola. Number 3. Sumalaksak. Nakuha ni 29. Pull-up. Nakuha ni number 62. Pass to Pia. 62. Kinain. Basket by number 18. Number 3. Pull-up jumper. Pinasa kay 29. Tumalbag. 29 for 2. Nakuha ni 22. Pinasa kay number 18. 18. Grabe sa exception. Nakuha ni number 20. 20. Pass to number 2. 20 seconds remaining. Number 0. Foul. Number 20. 20.
Tingnan itlog. Nakayot na kami. Nakayot.
Third personal foul, number 26. Warning for penalty. Now we are the 26. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Number 2. Pass to Teddy. 10. Tumede. Bravo naman yun. Start na ating third quarter. Number 11. Magdadala ng bola. 11 sumalaksak. Pass to number 5. Binuhat. 5 pa rin. Foul. Number 05.
Gamitin mo na foul mo, Jay.
First personal foul. Number 05. First team foul. Nakuha ni number 05. Pinasakay 62. Throws over by number 62. Grabe naman 62 points. Number 25. Binado ang bola. 25. Behind the back. Pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. 11 sumalaksak. Tulad jumper. Pinasakay. Foul. Number 0. Third personal foul, number 0. Second team foul. Basket. Number 62. Binababa ang bola. 62. 15 seconds to shoot. 62. 10 seconds to shoot. 62. 5 seconds. Now at pasensyahan nyo lang magdulo kayo ang ating batter. Number 11, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to 25. 25, sumalaksak. Binuhod. Nakuha. Number 62. Pass to number 05. 05. Pinasa kay 18. Easy 2 points. Number 7. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Pull-up jumper. Nakuha. 22. Nahuli. Nakuha ng 11. Pass to number 7. Pull-up jumper. Nakuha. Bola ng Springfield. Number 62. Binababang bola. Number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. Pinasa ka 22. Pinagdag. Foul. Number 5. First personal foul. Number 5. First team foul.
Kasakita ba?
Number 18. 18, pass to number 62, 4-3, nahuli, block by number 7. Same ball. Ten seconds ang natitira sa clock. 62, pass to number 22 for 3. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 11. Sumalaksak, pass to number 10. Tulak number. Foul number. Loose ball foul. 22. Second personal foul number 22. Third team foul. Seven, ball 3. Now we are number 10. Number 10, pass to number 7. Bola.
Tuleg.
Pass to number 18. Pass to number 05. Ball 3. Now we are the number. Para sa kay number 25. Kinain. Goal! What a shot by number 25. Number 62. Binabang bola. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to 09. Pass to 62. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. Basket. Foul number 5. Second personal foul. Number 5. Second team foul. Now number 11. Binababang bola. Kumusover. Sinasabra. Binawalan. What a play by Wadman. Number 62. Binababang bola. 15 seconds to shoot. 22. Pinasa. 10 seconds to shoot. 62 sinalaksak. Now we are in number 25. 25. Pinasa libre. Basket by number 11. Number 62. Pinasa kay 18. 15 seconds to shoot. 18. Pinasa to number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. 62. Pass to 05 for 3. Now we are Pinasa libre. 22. Number 11. Binababang bola. 11. 15 seconds to shoot. 11. 10 seconds. Pinasa to number 25. 5 seconds to shoot. Sumalaksak. EC2 by number 25. Number 18, binababang bola. 22, sumalaksak. Now foul. Number 3, binababang bola. Number 3, sumalaksak. Number 3, basket and 1. Foul number 60. 6. Foul number 6. Foul number 5. 05. Number 62. Binababang bola. Pinasa kay 18. 15 seconds to shoot. 18. Pinasa kay 05. Pass to 62 for 3. Nawala ni 62. Pinasa kay 18. Pinasa kay 0 guys. Step back. 3. Nawala ni number 7. Pass to number 3. Number 3. 15 seconds to shoot. Sumalaksak. Nawala ni 22. Foul. Number 3. Second personal foul, number 3. Third team foul. Number 18, binababa ang bola. Number 18, sumalaksak. Kulang driver, nakuha ni number 7. Pinasa, nakuha ni number 15. Sumalaksak, nakuha ni number nakuha ni 62. 62, sumalaksak, 62. Pinasa ka 22. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to 62, 4-3. Nakuha ni number 7. Pinasa ka number 3. Number 3, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 7, pull-up jumper. Nakuha ni number 10. Foul. Number 22. Penalty direct. Penalty. Warning for graduate. Number 22. Substitution direct. Pasok. Pasok ang layaban. Basket. Number 62. Pass to 18. 18 for 3. Rebound by number 5. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 3. Binababa ang bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Pass to number 2. Pumigit. Napay. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by number 10. Napakasipag. Pinasa ka 15. 15. Pass to number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 62. Close over by number 62. Foul basket. Foul number 7.
Habol pa yan.
Second personal foul. Number 7. Warning for penalty. Now running number 25. Remaining time 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Number 3. Pass to number 5. Pinasa 25. Binalo. Pass to wala. Number 7. Nakuha ni 15. 15. Pinasa kay number 18. Sumulak. Foul. Penalty direct. Basket, unang pagbubuslo. Another free throw. Substitution direct.
Sap.
Pasok ang lalabas. Labas ang papasok.
Labas.
Number 11. Binababa ang bola. Double foul. Number 10 and number 5. 14 seconds to shoot tayo. Number 25. 10 seconds to shoot. 25. Sumalak sa what a move! Foul! Number 5. Warning for grab point number 5. Basket. Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. 62. Pass to number 15. 15. Sumalaksa basket by number 15. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 11, sumalaksak. 11, crossover. 10 seconds to shoot. Dumuhot. Nakuha ni number 5. Pass to 15. 15. 15 seconds to shoot. 32, pass to 15. Tumege, pinasa. Tumege, 62, 30. Nakuha ni number 25. 30 seconds remaining. 25. 15 seconds to shoot. 25 for 3. Jumbo.
Atin, kami yung una eh. Atin, sa atin yan, sa atin yan.
Nice free kick. Number 18, binababa ang bola. 18, 15 seconds to shoot. Sumalaksak na ulit. 5. Nakuha. 13 seconds remaining. Overtime! Oh, 81. Number 18, 11. 11, 13. Nakuha ni 25. TCP by number 25. Number 15. Nagtatala ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot. 22, pass to 0. 10 seconds to shoot. 18, pinasa 22. 5 seconds. Nakuha ni 0. Foul, number 5. Third personal foul, number 5. Bola akan dapat. Number 8, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 25, Tapenge. 25 sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 10 for 3. Nakuha sa number 25. Second personal foul, number 25. Basket by number 18. Basket, 2 out of 2. Number 8. Ginagawang bola. 4 minutes remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. 11 minutes. Traveling violation. Ang tawag meron. All 83 ang ating score. 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Number 18, pass to 18. 18, pinasa ang number 0. Pass to number 22, pass to 22. Mauwi, basket by number 22. Number 11, binababa ang bola. 11, 15 seconds to shoot. 29-33, basket! Number 15, Ginawa ang bola. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 15 shot clock. 62, pinatay na si Pass 18-30. Number 11, Ginawa ang bola. 11, 15 seconds to shoot. 11, 10 seconds to shoot for 3. Basket! Number 60. Nagkakaroon ng bola. 62. Pass to number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. 18. Pass to number 0. Sumulot. Pinapos. Nakuha ng 25. 25. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 11. 11. 15 seconds to shoot. 11, pass to number 8, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, tumalak sa foul. Number 15. Warning for graduate number 15. Unang tagbilis mo. Nakuha ni 15. Pass na ba 0? 0. Sumunod ka? 0 rin ECT. Then number 0. Number 11, binababa ang bola. Remaining time, 1 minute and 46 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot for 3. Nakuha, Milan for 18. Foul. Outside, bola, last 3 feet. Isilang po tayo, isilang po, kalmahan lang po natin.
Ka-video.
Number 62, binababa ang bola. Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 18, simula sa 18, 10 seconds to shoot, 13, nakuha na 25, 25 pass to number 11, 11, pass to number 25, 15 seconds to shoot, foul, number 62, First personal foul, number 62.
Wala!
Pasok ang unang magbubuslo.
Meron yan. Wala naman yun. Wala yung shooting.
Nakuha ang 25. Pinasa ang number 10. Pass to number 11.
Pinagsisigawan niya kasi ano yan.
15 seconds to
Dami
shoot.
ng basketball kasali yan.
Yaman lang sa kanya, but 10 seconds to shoot. 11. 5 seconds to shoot. Good! Good one! Same ball. Same ball. Bola ng Yamat. Good pa tayo, good. Namatay sa rin mga good. $13 seconds lang tayo, 13 seconds. Shot lang na tayo, 15 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. 25 sinalaksak, ispinit, nakuha ang 62, pinasa, tutuya, easy 30 seconds to remaining. Lamang ng isa ang screen field. 15 seconds to shoot. 11, pass to 25.
Wala!
Ang tawag dito.
Tulong!
62. Now yes. Now we are in the team.
Tunggo pa, boy!
5.
Rep bola.
Personal foul number 5. $17 seconds ang natitirang oras.
Tana natin to.
Score 91-93 in favor of 94 pala, sorry. 94 in favor of Fighters. Pass to number 11. 11. Maria. 6 seconds remaining.
Pangalan na lang.
Segundo ang natitira.
Idol mo, tatakbuhan.
Cellphone mo.
For